Now I gotta start another recording. All right. Now go watch that movie. It's a good movie. Still can't believe you haven't seen it. Oh yeah, it's not Transformers. You gotta watch things that have good graphics, like 9mm girl and the bow and arrow guys. Y'all not gonna talk to me now? Okay, that's all right. Negative x squared minus 3x. I think I'm gonna got the yell at you. Negative x squared minus 3x plus blank is equal to negative 2 plus blank. Negative x squared plus 3x plus blank equals negative 2 plus negative 1 times blank. Half 3 is 3 halves. 3 halves is squared is what? Negative x plus 3 halves. Quantity squared is equal to, what is this, 8/4? Negative 8/4 minus 9/4. Somebody check me. Negative x plus 3 halves. Quantity squared is equal to negative 17/4. Now at this point, you got two things that you need to realize. One, f of x is equal to negative x plus 3 halves quantity squared plus 17/4. They might ask for that. Two, your vertex, I can get it from here. Negative 3 halves, comma, 17/4. The y-intercept is 2. And now we're going to finish. And that's going to be x plus 3 halves quantity squared is equal to 17/4. Now this is some hard math here. Do you think y'all can handle this? The square root of 17 is maybe 4.1. Positive or negative 4.1 since 16 is 4. I think y'all can handle that. Over 4 over 2. And what's 4.1 minus 3?
1.1.
$1.10, and half of $1.10 is 5 cents. That's one x-intercept. Negative $7.30. What's half of $7? I'm sorry, $7.10. 355. Y'all check my math, and there is your x-intercepts. So, negative 3 halves, which is negative 1.5, and what is that? 4.1 positive. Y-intercept is 0.2. .55. Oh my gosh, this thing is going down. Is that true? Yes, it is true. And you feel good about yourself.
Let me, I get hung up on the very simple things.
What's that?
You done on your second line, negative x squared plus x plus blank, you factored out the negative 1, which makes the plus 3x. Would it not change it to a minus 9/4?
What do? You got to take this and you take it out, divide it by 2, and what?
It's going to be
squared. It's always going to be positive.
I always mess up on that. I want to bring that negative.
Don't think too much.
So that's always going to be positive on that. That's where I'll mess the whole thing up. I had the exact opposite of that.
Yeah, don't think too much on that. Everybody with me? Does that help everybody? We just did several test questions. 3, I think, complete the square. All right, that's the homework. Now let's look at the test. I think I covered Mr. Ellis and Mr. Skipper, have I covered all your homework questions? Is there any that you need me to cover that I've skipped? Because I didn't see any other boldface questions. You know, I don't see any other boldface means I haven't clicked on it. Mr. Skipper, you good, Ellis?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, there's just those weird ones that I didn't get.
Okay.
Just stick it out.
All right, let's go back to your test. I'm trying to find it. There we go. And the Unit 1 test. I'm probably going to have to change bonus questions. I haven't fixed the bonus questions in the Unit 1 test. So just ignore the ones with the dates. All right, there's a bonus question. There's a bonus question. All right, do that one. F of x is equal to 4x cubed. You know what's good on sausage biscuit?
Mustard.
Nope.
Jelly. Honey.
Mustard and grape jelly.
Yeah, I've done that many times. It's good.
And people go, "It's gross."
I like that.
Well, what do you eat when you eat those wings in crock pot? There's no mustard. What the heck? This is a conspiracy, is what this is. Mr. Song, you still on? Yeah.
So you're gonna have to
What
find out.
bush? What's that?
You're gonna have to find out what else is good on sausage biscuit.
Yeah, I'll just use grape jelly. Yeah. But when you eat those little weenies in the crock pot, guess what that is? Mustard and grape jelly. So this is what I tell my daughter and my son: don't be a redneck and turn your nose up at stuff that you don't know about, because if you keep your mouth shut, you won't show your ignorance. That's one of my favorite movies. That's why I put that post up there. So much for that Long Island iced tea. There was actually a teacher that brought a red Solo cup to class every day.
Just to make it obvious.
No, he got fired. Duh! I'll just come drink in front of my students and get surprised when I get fired. Taught history in Oconee Hall every day, red Solo cup. You know, you got to have issues. And if you're one of these people, then yes, you have issues. If you can drink alcohol in the morning, you have issues. I'm sorry. I cannot fathom drinking liquor in the morning. Now, there are extenuating circumstances, like people who work third shift. I can understand. I can understand that. But I'm talking normal, getting up in the morning. I think I'll fix me a couple of eggs and drink a fifth of vodka. No, you have issues. All right, y'all done? If you're not, then consider yourself what? A failure. So, we're going to write 4x cubed with a big set of what? Parentheses. That's f of x plus h. Minus 4x cubed over h. And what we're going to plug in here? Y'all finally figured it out, didn't you? Everybody finally figured that out. Okay, you did it last, why can't you do it this time? Y'all impressed, aren't you? Now, you can't do this because you gotta do 4 times x plus h times what? X plus h what? Squared, so there you gotta do some busy work there. Minus 4x cubed over h, and that's gonna give you 4 times x plus h times x squared plus 2xh plus h squared minus 4x cubed over h, which that's going to give you 4 times x cubed plus 2x squared h plus hx, h squared x, plus hx squared plus 2xh squared plus h to the third minus 4x cubed over h, which is going to give you 4 times x cubed 2x squared h plus h squared h is equal to 3x squared h h squared x, 3x squared h squared x plus h cubed minus 4x cubed over h. Oops. And that's going to put a 4 there. Four. And a 12x here, and a 12 there, and a 4 here, right? And what happens to the 4x cubes? They cancel. And that's going to take that one out, and it's going to take one of these out, and it's going to take that out. And so our final answer is 12x squared plus 12h xh plus 4h squared. Y'all check me on that. I can tell you if it's right. Hold on. The derivative is 12x squared. Yeah, these two will go away. So that's right. 12x squared. That's a test question. Next one. Oh, it is a test question. It's on there. Duh. Forgot. I thought I was still doing homework. Okay, this is a gimme. If you miss this question, don't tell anybody. You got a bracket on this end, you got a parenthesis on this end. So that means this one is inclusive, this one is what? Non-inclusive. So that means x is greater than or less than, or greater than or equal to what? -7, but less than what? So it's going to be either A or B. Yes, B. All right, that's a gimme question. So, Mr. Ellis, if you get that one wrong, don't tell anybody. Now, I've already done this one. I did this one for homework. I'm going to let y'all work that one, huh?
That's just busy right there.
Yeah. What's the domain of this function? All reals. Chances are, unless it's a radical or rational, the domain is going to be all real numbers. The range is from 2, 4, 6, 8. -8 to what? Infinity. All right, this one you have to read the graph. What's it doing here? Constant. What's here? Decreasing. Constant and decreasing. And you need to be able to read the graph. That's not hard at all. There you go. Another question. Do that one. What time's class over? 11:10?
3 minutes.
Okay. Well, let's go through and let me go through and just don't do it. Just go through and let's look. There's another f of x, f plus g, f minus g. We talked about that. We'll just go over it next time. We'll go over both tests when y'all come back. Because I don't want to mess y'all up by going fast. Hold on, let me cut this off and then we'll